family? Wow, today's Wednesday, and right about now, it's time to do some work. Today's not a day to sleep in, but today is to keep moving forward, not worry about anything else, but to accomplish your goals and your dreams, whatever's before you today. I actually was thinking about something this morning. When I was in Bible college, our director used to always challenge us, and he would say if a good night's sleep or a day off didn't help you, meaning like if you were beat down or worn out or tired from your day or even this world sometimes, if a day off or a good night's sleep didn't help you and you still woke up feeling the same way, to question yourself, because sometimes it might be a deeper issue, other than you just being tired. And whatever that is, whatever that might be, it's different for everybody. But question yourself if that's the way that you feel, if that's the way that life has made you feel, or you've gone through so much that you just feel worn out or tired. But just want to encourage you guys, there's so much more out there. Today's a new day. No matter what happened yesterday or last week, that doesn't define you. Your past does not define you. Only what you guys do right now is really going to matter. But anyway, it's Wednesday. I love you guys. And let's get today over with. Let's love on our families and encourage one another. See you soon. What's up, family? And now I'm home to the most important part of my day. So anyway, they wanted to help me with the vlog tonight, so I'm going to let them share a little bit. They both want to share a scripture verse that they've both memorized. So Mama, I'm going to let you go first. What is your scripture verse?
Obey your parents.
What is it again?
Says and obey your parents.
Oh, okay, that's a good one. All right, Bubba, what's your scripture verse?
Romans 12:1-2. I beseech you, therefore, by the mercies of God, that ye present our bodies a living sacrifice, wholly acceptable unto God, which is our reasonable service. And be not conformed to this world, but is transformed by the renewing of your mind, that ye may prove what is good and perfect will of God.
Wow, awesome. And he did that in one breath, too. He did that in one breath. Man, it's good to be home. It's good to be around family. These guys are the reason I do what I do. These guys are the reason that I keep going forward every day. And I know you guys have reasons in your life. You guys all have reasons in your life to do the same. So make sure that you know what's worth fighting for in your life. And when you find out what's worth fighting for, don't stop fighting. Don't give up. You'll never know, or you'll never get what you want until you know what you want. So once you know what you want, fight for it. Don't accept anything less. But I love you guys. Thank you for being on this journey with me. Still got t-shirts for sale. I'll do some selfless promotion. But definitely, if you guys want to join me on this journey, the support, everything, financial, all that kind of stuff is going to go towards me just getting better. As far as the t-shirts, I'm not really making any money off of it, but what it's helping me to do is going to be help hire a personal trainer, because I've gotten this far on my own, but I know God's blessed a lot of people out there with talents and gifts that can help in my journey and in my process. So please know that I love you and I appreciate all the support, all the encouragement, and just want you guys, like I said, to be there with me along my, by my side, and we're all gonna get there together. Live and love your guys. Live and love your life with no days off. Be encouraged today and be an encouragement. Love you guys. Bye.